Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to do a quick breakdown on some of the trades I called out in the Discord group last week, and also show you how to trade gold with a tool called the Volume Profile. This tool is something I've been using for a while, and it have really helped me with sniper entries. And hopefully going through this video you will get a better idea on how you can trade gold for yourself as well. So let's get into this. Alright, so I have my trading view chart pulled up over here. We're on gold and we're on the 1 hour chart. Normally I work my way from the top to the bottom, but for this example, let's just start at the 1 hour chart to keep it simple. And let's go ahead and just replay, let's say over here, and then I will show you what I normally do. So from here, the first thing that I want to do is mark out my zones. So let's go ahead and draw out my resistance areas. And then support, and then we can also see that there's a support over here as well. And the next thing that we want to do is we want to draw out our order blocks. So over here we can see there's actually a breaker, so let's go ahead and draw this out. All right, and then let's go ahead and draw out our demand order block over here. All right, so from here I want to actually use the volume profile, and how I use it is I like to draw on my order blocks, and usually this is my key point of interest, right? So let's go ahead and draw it all on here as well. And then let's go ahead and play this out. Because right now there's a breakup structure and the price is bearish, what I want to do is, if I was to do a sell trade, I want to wait for a pullback into my point of interest, which is this supply order block over here, and then take my sell entry. So let's go ahead and wait for the price to come back. All right, so right now it's touching my order block, and from this point I can actually go down to a lower time frame to enter. All right, so let's go ahead and play this out. Okay, you can see that it touched our volume profile line exactly and rejected over here. So what I can do is I see that the momentum is going downwards, and I want to wait until there's a pullback before I actually enter. All right, so the price did pull back. I'm going to do a sell trade over here, and then aim for this low over here, and then see what happens. The stop loss will be over here. Okay, so it's heading downwards. All right, smash through our TP, and then from here I can monitor. So basically you can see our support right here actually played out. If you want to actually do a sniper entry here and actually take this entry for a buy and get out, that's a nice 30 pips. And then once it's here, we just have to wait. Okay, we can see that there is buying pressure coming in. Okay, so now we have a momentum going up, and from here I will normally wait for price to come back into my key point of interest, and then take my long position from here. And the stop loss will be at the swing low, and then we can target over here. So let's play this out. All right, we're in. Usually at this point, my stops will be at break even. We'll be taking partials as well. And at this moment, we are up roughly 30 pips. All right, I believe our TP has smashed. Perfect. So right here you can see our TP smash and there's rejection points. So we can actually mark this out. We are actually at the lower time frame, so we can actually refine this a little bit more. So here's the lower time frame order block. Okay. All right, and then let's go ahead and use our volume profile in this area. And then plot our line over here. And then play this out. All right, so over here, the price did come back and we could have taken this entry here down. All right, so let's go ahead and play this out. And then the price ended here for the week. So you can see how powerful the volume profile is. It can help you with your entries. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see in my next video. And if you're not in my Discord group already, there's a link in the description area. You can go ahead and join for free. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.